Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the S22 Ultra and laying it face up on a clean surface. This prevents accidental taps. Next, apply low heat with a hairdryer for about 10 to 15 seconds to soften the adhesive. Keep the dryer moving and 2-3 inches away. Once done, locate an existing corner gap. If none, use a thin plastic pick to gently work into the edge at a shallow angle. You want a small lift point, not a deep pry, to avoid cracking the glass. With that corner lifted, insert a thin plastic pick and twist gently to widen the gap. You are creating a track, not tearing the protector. Then slide dental floss or a guitar pick along the adhesive line in a sawing motion while supporting the display with your other hand. Keep applying low heat to the edges as you progress to maintain pliability. Make sure to lift slowly and evenly. If resistance spikes, stop, reheat the area, and continue. Forcing risks glass damage or leaving adhesive residue. Finish by peeling the protector away at a low, steady angle. This reduces stress on the screen and prevents cracking. Once removed, inspect for adhesive residue and clean the display with 90% isopropyl alcohol on a microfiber cloth, wiping in straight motions until spotless. If the protector cracks during removal, stop immediately, pick up large pieces with tape, and avoid pushing shards onto the screen. In that case, make sure to seek professional assistance to prevent cuts or further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.